Hey everybody, this is Adam with Semantic Mastery. Just wanted to give a quick overview of IFTTT. A little bit of a tutorial for you if you have not used IFTTT before, then this might be helpful to you to get a quick understanding of how the process works, how you can put it to work in your business, and what it can do for you. And then if you're interested, there's some links below, and also at the end I'll mention some ways you can get some more training on this and use it a little bit more in depth. So anyways, if you're interested, you can just go to IFTTT.com. That's where the service is at. It's a free service. You can sign up for an account. All it is a username, password, email. So once you do that and you log in, you can create a bunch of recipes, and that's what this is all based around. They call everything recipes. So you have channels that you can activate, and then you connect those, and that's called creating a recipe. So for example, we could activate, let's say, Blogger account, or how about a Bitly account and our WordPress account down here. So we could say, okay, well, we have those two activated, and what can we do with those? Or, much more powerfully, we can come down and say, okay, we have a Blogger or a WordPress or another platform like Tumblr, Twitter, and we want to connect that so that every time we publish something, say on our website or our YouTube channel, that it automatically is syndicated out to those platforms that we have. So all you have to do is come in here and say, okay, well, activate my channels. So you go through this and say, okay, I've got a Tumblr account. All you do is click on it, fill out the information. It varies, obviously, by platform, but it's not a complex process. You just put in usually username and password, or if you're already logged in that browser, it'll just ask for access authorization. And then you can go back and click on My Recipes and create a recipe. And it's if this, then that, and that's where the IFTTT comes from. You just click on this, and that is your trigger channel. So for this example with RSS feeds, we would go down and find feed. You would click on that, say new feed item. Say, okay, well, we'll just kind of make something up here. Okay, so we have our trigger, and we can just paste in an RSS feed, and it's going to validate the feed. For this, I'm just using as an example a top stories feed from CNN. Okay, so we click on create trigger. And if you do have a problem, this is good that it showed this, says not a valid feed URL. So for this one, it's not going to work, so let's find another one. So since that didn't work, went and found another RSS feed. It's a car technology blog, so just search for something and found the RSS feed for it. And let's see if this one works. Okay, so if it works, it just goes to the next step. Say new feed item from where you put it, and what do you want to do with it. And this is where you go in and you can pick whatever you want. In this example, we were talking about Tumblr, could be WordPress, could be a bookmarking service, could be Twitter, you could be making a note, you can connect even Facebook pages. There's a lot you can do. So you just click on that, fill out the required information, and that's about as simple as it gets, and it'll auto update whenever that RSS feed updates. So very powerful. If you're interested in finding out some more information about some recipes and how to go about this, head over to IFTTTSEO.com/PDF. I'll put the link in down below. You can click on that and get some free information. We do offer some advanced courses so that you can find out more about this and exact kind of step-by-step how to do these. It's not that difficult. It's something you can do on your own for sure, but we do offer the training to make this a little bit of a quicker process and to lower the learning curve a little bit. So this is just a quick example of the kind of training you get. So training updates, bonuses, we have some information about advanced connections, live stream sites that will stream your video, how to set up correctly, account creation on all of these various sites, tying the accounts together, and then IFTTT training videos itself. So if you're interested in this, just head over to IFTTTSEO.com.